Today I'm going to be reviewing Vivitagx in-card wallet tracker. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. This is a new item that they just got in. I've seen these before, but this is really nice and thin. I'll put the dimensions on here. You can add it to a bag through this little loop. You can put it in your wallet to find it. You can use both Apple Find My and Google's Find Hub to find this if you get it lost. It also has a feature, if you leave it behind, it can let you know that you've left it behind. It's about 90 to 100 decibels, which is plenty loud. Even if it's covered under some cushions or anything, you'll be able to hear this. Also, look at that. Wireless charging now. You can wirelessly charge this with the instructions. It's going to tell you exactly how to set this up and attach it to either your Apple phone or your Google Hub to be able to find it. Nice carbon fiber card here. It is new, so there aren't that many reviews on this. It does get 5 stars, only 5 reviews, but I can tell you there's a lot of these are very similar. To turn it on, by the way, you just hold this little button down here. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.